Good espresso machines are typically very expensive, but we found a budget-friendly one on Lazada. Question is it good enough for a beginner? Honestly, well, yeah. This is the Petrus PE3180 Espresso Maker, and this used to cost close to 4,000 pesos, but its price has recently dropped to a more reasonable 2,299 pesos. It's a beginner-friendly espresso maker with a built-in steam wand, and it is also surprisingly very light because of its stainless steel and mostly plastic body. The set also comes with a bunch of other accessories. You have your portafilter over here. You also get 2 baskets for the coffee beans, and then this glass jar for measuring the amount of water or coffee that you get. And this thing, it is a scoop and a tamp on the other side. The instructions of this espresso maker is in Chinese, and so are the labels all around it, so I would recommend that you Google this a bunch or you use the translation app like what I did. But here are some basics that you need to know. Pour in up to 240 milliliters of water or until the max capacity of the glass cup that comes with the machine into the reservoir. Preheat the water for 2 to 3 minutes. While waiting, get your ground coffee beans. Make sure to tamp and clip the portafilter into the machine. Once the water is hot enough, turn the dial to start brewing. Then get a glass of milk and steam it until foamy. Put the drink together and voila! You have a nice steaming cup of espresso. I've been using this machine for about a week now, and I have yet to make a bad cup of coffee. To be quite honest, the espresso itself lacks the crema that you would expect from other espresso machines, but the shots are very nicely concentrated, even better than other espresso machines I've tried, especially the capsule ones. I think the secret to is having really good coffee beans. I got mine from Starbucks and Bose Coffee, kaya yung kape ko lasang pang cafe talaga. The machine itself doesn't have a lot of features. There are no gauges, no meters, there's only one dial that you control. That being said, I feel like it helped me in my experience as a beginner because I'm not fussing so much over the details. I'm making coffee, I'm frothing milk, and that's pretty much it. And yeah, I have yet to make a bad cup of coffee, so the experience overall has been very good. So, are you interested in this Petrus PE3180 Espresso Maker? Go ahead and check this out through the link in the caption.